Siamo nell'archivio storico del comune di Palermo, un vero e proprio scrigno della memoria della città.
We are in the historical archive of the city of Palermo, and here once was the Arab mosque, and later the synagogue of the Jewish community.
Dove un tempo c'era la grande sinagoga della comunità ebraica di Palermo.
After 3 centuries of Byzantine domination and 2 centuries of Arab domination, here come the Normans, whose kings are literally bewitched by the Arab architecture.
Arabo-normanno. Dopo 3 secoli di occupazione bizantina,
Then something extraordinary happens. The Norman kings summon the Arab architects, and together they elaborate a mixture of styles and cultures, giving posterity to what today we call Arab Norman art.
Nel 2015 l'UNESCO ha dichiarato l'itinerario arabo-normanno di Palermo e le cattedrali di Cefalù e Monreale patrimonio.
In 2015, UNESCO declared the Arab Norman itinerary of Sicily a World Heritage Site, and these are the monuments. In Palermo, the Palatine Chapel, the Church of Santa Maria dell'Almiraglio, or the Martorana, the Palazzo dei Normanni, the Castle of the Zisa, the Bridge of the Ammiraglio, the Church of San Cataldo, and the Church of San Giovanni degli Eremiti. To these are added the Cathedral of Monreale and that of Cefalù. They are among the highest examples of the Arab Norman style. Chapel, we admire splendid Byzantine mosaics on a gold background, Macarnus vaults, and typically Arab domes, as well as the geometric designs on lava stone and Romanesque capitals.
Degli Eremiti, che fa parte dell'itinerario arabo-normanno, è un luogo simbolo della città, costruita da Ruggero II nei pressi del
Also, the Church of San Giovanni degli Eremiti, the symbol of the city, has a clear Arab origin. The Church of San Cataldo, with the 3 domes and the perforated windows with the star motif, are clearly of Arab origin, built on a pre-existing mosque. And the Cathedral of Palermo, a former Christian place of worship, transformed into a mosque by the Arabs in the 9th centuries, and once again in a Christian church by the Normans in the 1100s. Here there are some royal tombs, including that of Frederick II of Swabia, and the treasure with the jewels and the crown of Constance of Aragon.
Era circondato da meravigliosi giardini pieni di grandi peschiere, di agrumeti e di scenografiche fontane, e sorgeva in un luogo.
The Zisa Castle was a summer residence of the sovereign, a so-called solatia, a place of relaxation, once outside the city walls, with fountains, citrus groves, gardens, and fish ponds. Finally, the Ammiraglio Bridge, which was commissioned by George of Antioch, that brought together 3 different cultures, Latin, Arab, and Greek. It was built to unite the city with the Genoardo, a luxuriant place behind the Oreto River. Finally, the church of Santa Maria dell'Ammiraglio, built in the 12th century, is called della Martorana because in the 1400 was the seat of a female Benedictine monastery founded by Aloisia Marturano. The nuns made the typical Sicilian sweets with almond paste in the shape of fruits, which are precisely called Martorana fruit. These and others are the wonders of our splendid Sicily.
Queste ed altre sono le meraviglie della nostra splendida Sicilia.